Hi you guys, I was at Michael's hobby and craft store today, and at the little checkout area where they sorry, I have you guys propped between my feet here, so hopefully I won't let you fall. In the little area that they have where you're checking out, and they have all the little, you know, suggestive sale type stuff, they had some Nightmare Before Christmas mystery mini boxes. They had 5. I purchased all 5 that they had. Here are the possibilities of what might be in there. So instead of being patient and waiting until we got home, I decided, fuck it, we'll open up one now. So let's do this, shall we? If you are a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, the film, let me know in the comment section. If you are a fan of the show or the movie, let me know who your favorite character is. Most people have a favorite character if they're a fan, so let me know who yours is. My favorite character is Oogie Boogie. Alright, we got our first bag right here. Oh, let's give it an open and see what we got. And it looks like, we got one of the little troublemakers. Look at there. We got one of the lock, stock, and barrels. Very nice. And it looks like, yep, he's got a little sucker here, a lollipop, Halloween themed. Very cute. Let me show you his little hairstyle. That is precious. I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah, and he's got his little mask on. You can see where the seam is of where the mask fits on. Very cute. CJ. Very nice indeed. So that's one. Alright, guys. Let's open up one more. Because we're going to be in traffic, so this gives us the opportunity. Here's number 2. Like I said, I did purchase all 5 that they had at Michael's. I wanted to see if they would let me have the little display case that they have, because I know that gets crushed and the cardboard on it gets just put in the recycling thing that they have. But yeah, apparently they don't do that. So they said nope, nope, nope. I was like, okay, well, I had to ask. Couldn't hurt to ask, right? Alright. This one is actually not even sealed, so it has been destroyed at some point, maybe even opened at some point, because even that's not sealed.
Wasn't it wrapped in plastic?
It was supposed to be, yep. This was one that had been already opened. Look. And
they rewrapped it in plastic?
Yep.
Wow.
And Michael's rewrapped it. I'm guessing Michael's rewrapped it in plastic. But that's okay, because look at here. I am happy with who I got on this one. Yay! So I might wind up with lock, stock, and barrel, all 3 of them.
Well, you got lock and barrel.
So we got one more to go on the little guys. Let's open up another one, shall we? Alright, so
They're still doing construction outside.
yeah. Alright, this one is a sealed one. Yeah. See, it is sealed. So yay, this one is in the blind bag for us to get.
So someone bought it and returned it, or
who
ripped
knows?
it open in the store and then
that's
they
my
found
guess is, yeah, someone ripped it open in the store. Oh, look at here. We get the creepy guy with the big mouth, which I really actually like this guy because he reminds me of the character on Beetlejuice that the wife is turned into, where she has the big mouth and their eyes are at the top of her tongue. And yeah, this guy always kind of gave me that same sense. I like him. I think he's cute. It'll be a nice little addition. And next up, we might be able to get through all of these. I think we are going to be able to get through all these while we're in the car here, with traffic being as it is. It is a nice sunny day today. We finally are getting a break from the rain. Alright, now let's try this one. Another one that's been sealed properly, which I like. And here's our blind bag. Yay! Yay! Again, no repeat so far. And this is the guy that's got the hatchet in his head. He's a cutie. Little zombie guy. Thank you, Nat.
So cute.
Little zombie man with the hatchet in his head. He just needs a beard and he would be perfect, right?
Yes.
Be still your bearded beating heart. Alright guys, the very last one. Yep, this will be the last one.
5 of them?
Huh? Yep. So, we'll see. Will we get Jack? Will we get Sally? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking that we're not going to get Jack or Sally. But, you know, it's alright. We tried. Here we go. Last and final box. I'm going to look and see if I can find these online. If I can, I'll make sure and put a link below if you're interested in getting some for yourself. These, like I said, I got at Michael's, but I'm pretty sure these can be found on Amazon or somewhere online. So I'll research and see what I can find. Oh, we got a Jack. We got a Jack. Yay! Oh, that makes me super happy. Look at there, you guys. We got a Jack. We got a Jack. He's wearing aviator goggles and he's carrying a little sack of goodies because Jack is bringing all the joy. Yay! I'm so happy that I got a Jack. So yeah, I would say I'm pretty happy with what I got. I got a very nice variety. I got, you know, the little monster, lock, stock, and didn't get barrel. But got a couple of the little community members and of course Jack, the star, the celebrity, the hero himself. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know if you're a fan of Nightmare Before Christmas, the movie. If you are, let me know what your favorite character in that movie is. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!